If the BJP Shiv Sena combine is going through tough times, it's no better for the Congress-NCP alliance in Maharashtra. An intense tug of war is on in the alliance, which has ruled the state for the last 15 years. They've held several meetings together, but to no avail so far. Monday saw the NCP's core committee holding its meet in Mumbai over the seat-sharing logjam. And though NCP leader Praful Patel gave positive indications of staying in the alliance after the meeting, he also said that his party is sticking to its demands. Another attempt will be made on Tuesday to come to an agreement in a meeting with Congress leaders.
कांग्रेस के नेताओं के साथ हम चर्चा करेंगे और उस चर्चा में महाराष्ट्र में 15 वर्षों से कांग्रेस और राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी का जो गठबंधन हमारा रहा है उसको किस तरह से हम एक आपस में मिलजुल कर जो हमारी दोनों पार्टी की अलग अलग जो राय है उसको एक करने के लिए हम कोशिश जरूर करेंगे.
In 2009 assembly elections, the NCP had got 114 out of 288 seats, with the Congress contesting the rest. But after the changed inter-party dynamics in the general elections earlier this year, the NCP wants a 50-50 seat-sharing formula. The Congress is only willing to go to the extent of giving it 126 seats. The NCP has been saying that if the Congress doesn't accept its proposal, it can go it alone. The Congress too had a brainstorming session of its Central Election Committee over its list of candidates in Delhi on Monday. The meeting was attended by several senior party leaders, including Congress President Sonia Gandhi, Vice President Rahul Gandhi, former PM Manmohan Singh and Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan. But the party couldn't come up with a solution to the seat-sharing tangle in this meet.
नंबर का कुछ नहीं बोलता, मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूं कि जो हमारी अलायंस है वो अलायंस कायम रखने के लिए हर कोशिश हम भी कर रहे हैं, वो भी कर रहे हैं.
Several Congress leaders have also been saying that if the NCP doesn't accept its offer, it should contest the upcoming assembly polls alone. The NCP had earlier served an ultimatum to the Congress on Saturday to decide in favour of its demand within 2 days. But it seems the seat-sharing tussle could play out for another day or two before a tipping point is reached. DD News.